right? All right, now that will force me to ask you, excuse me, are you married? All right, so guess what I asked this young man this morning?
You're like, are you married?
Are you married?
Are you in a relationship?
Guess what the answer is?
No.
Oh, I said guess.
I said no.
Oh, but the no doesn't usually come direct like that.
Oh, okay.
The no always comes in the
It's
form
complicated.
of... The no comes in the form of... yeah, technically speaking. In fact, at this point, I think I should play... I think I have a clip that I can play that I will find extremely useful here. Maybe excuse me for a second. Let me find this clip. This will be because women do this too. They run their mouth online, but when it's time to ask them, is this working for you? I found it. Great. Listen to this clip.
Not let you see them if you're just a girlfriend, because like two other girls could be like, well, I'm his girlfriend too, I'm his girlfriend too, I'm his this, I'm his that. The mom can be like, well, that's my son. But when you're the wife, you have a certain priority over everyone else.
That's facts.
I'm not
Are you
even
married, Boel?
I'm like in the process of, like, for instance, I've been like proposed to, but I'm just not sure if he's the one.
That guy.
Are you a fiance right now, or you?
We went to look at the rings. We went to look at the.
Wait, that's the second question in a row.
They went to look at the rings. Is she?
No. The question is a yes or no question. First question is, are you married?
It's a no.
So you're right that it's a no, but the no usually doesn't come
always
direct.
come like this.
It goes like this, like
just be straightforward.
And then the next question: are you engaged? What was it? Are you currently engaged?
We're looking at rings.
Nigga, what?
Confusion everywhere. Social media.
Oh man.
Social media is a beast, I have to say.
So when people are saying teaching our children to be wives, you were absolutely correct. It's an action. The kids are watching how you behave. If people are raised in a single parent household, they will normalize. That's normal, typically. Now they may decide, depending on the temperament, the personality of that kid, to kick against your lifestyle. But typically, now they have to learn because they've never seen marriage before, right? And you can bring that down to even multi-layered levels. Like, your behavior is what they're watching. Instead of running around the internet streets and asking people to teach their kids to be husband and wives, first of all, look in the mirror. Are you a husband? Are you a wife? Your children are more so.
Are you worthy to be a husband? Somebody's husband right now. I mean, that's a good question to ask these people that are asking all these jump questions.
Yep. They're more so watching you, okay? And they are, that's basically what's going to determine the next move right there, right? All right.